The Wild Pigeon.
In Japan, there are many stories such as this one that tell children how they should respect their parents. A long time ago, there was a little boy who didn't take after his brothers and sisters. He never listened to his mother. If the mother told the boy to do one thing, he would do just the opposite. If the mother told him to speak well of a guest in their house, the boy would only speak ill of the guest. If she asked him to take part in cleaning the house, he would make his room a mess. If the mother asked the boy to slow down so that they could walk side by side, the boy would take off running wildly. If she told him to go to bed, he would stay up all night. The mother loved him very much, but he was a difficult child to raise. Then, one day the mother had an idea. She decided to take advantage of the fact that her son always did the opposite of what she asked. She wanted her son to take piano lessons, so she told him,
"Son, please never learn to play the piano."
Of course, the boy wanted to do it. He studied very hard, and his mother took pride in his wonderful playing.
Sooner or later, we all get old. As she neared the end of her life, the mother worried about where her son would bury her.
So far,
she thought,
my son has always done the opposite of what I wanted. I should stick to this same trick. I want to be buried on the hill. I will tell my son to bury me by the ocean. Then he will bury me on the hill.
When the mother's death finally took place, the son felt terribly sad. He said, "All of my life, I always did the opposite of what my mother wanted. Now that she is dead, I will do exactly what she wanted." So the son buried his mother by the ocean. He spent a lot of money on a nice grave. However, when he showed up to take care of her grave later, it was high tide, and the ocean's water covered it. When he stopped by the grave in summer, he saw that the sun had burned the ground, and many cracks were growing in the grave. The son felt so terrible about his poor mother's grave that he fell down dead. At the moment he died, he turned into a wild pigeon and made his home by the ocean. Now, if you go to the ocean, you may hear the sad cries of a wild pigeon. These cries stand for the sadness that the son still feels for his mother.